is good, people? I am reporting live from Ha Giang in Vietnam, in the northernmost region of the country, about to embark on the Ha Giang Loop. It's a 3-day motorcycle excursion, seeing the most beautiful views. Unfortunately, it's raining at the moment, and it may rain for the duration of the trip, but you know what, I'm here. I've got my rain jacket, and I'm very, very, very excited. I've got an easy rider who's going to help me do the whole trip. I wouldn't trust myself doing it by myself. So we're about to go on the first day. We've marked out the places we're going to be visiting, and I'm praying the rain stops. But either way, it's going to be amazing. So let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I am ready. I've got my rain gear on. I got the helmet. And with my driver, Hawk, here.
Hello!
He's gonna be taking me around for the whole duration of the trip. I feel impenetrable in this poncho, so let's get the first day going. Let's go. How high are we right now, roughly?
1,500.
1,500 meters up. And from the footage you saw earlier, you can see we're getting higher and higher. We're in the clouds right now. Honestly, I will say though, if you do come here, book a private tour, because everybody is just mingling over here and we're ready to go. So book a tour. Look right here, book a tour. So we're gonna keep going up, and yeah, it's really good so far.
Em ở ngay chỗ đứng ngoài bà đá mặt trăng.
And morning glory. Want it, one photo?
Okay.
Looks so beautiful.
So this has to be the highlight of today. So over there is China. Like, we're literally in the clouds right now. It's insane. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but I can hear the water stream down here. You got the clouds in the sky, literally. Wow. So here is China and then Vietnam on this side. There's a fence here also, but you can't really see it from the camera. Crazy, crazy. So day one is done. I can't really put into words today. Maybe on the second or third day I'll be able to piece it together. But just being completely engulfed, surrounded by nature, being disconnected from... I'm so far from home right now, so far from home. And seeing like the local people still wearing like traditional clothes, you know, they had to farm for their food and fish for their food. There was like landslides because of the rain. I saw the border of China. It was just crazy, and I still have 2 more days. So first day 10-10. We got a couple beers, drinking with the lads here. So I'll see you on day 2. Day 2. We're back in the mountains. I am absolutely shattered from yesterday, but the adrenaline's keeping me going, and just more and more amazing views, man. Look at this. Honestly, feels like I'm close to heaven right now. Like, it's crazy.
Ở cái đường vẫn có những cái nguy hiểm bệnh không tránh được, không có trong ấy lịch trình phải đi thôi. Đây anh không có, anh chả nói trong đấy.
Hello from London. Hello everybody.
Các bạn nhìn cung đường Hà Giang này.
But it's like nobody come to
To the light.
empty. No, it's like
So this is the end of the second day. Finished all the riding for today. It was like 8 hours. I am completely exhausted, like done. My legs are on fire. But I'm at the homestay and I want to show you this view. This is the view literally from the room I'm staying in. It's insane. I'm hoping in the morning we can get a sunrise or even a sunset tonight. But this is like, my room is just here, and then you have this view. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So on the last day, unfortunately, the rain was just far too much. I wasn't able to get much footage or take many photos on the last day, but overall this was probably the most life-changing trip I've been on. A 3-day excursion through the mountains of Vietnam. I got to see the border of China. I got to see the local people, eat the local food. It wasn't easy doing all the riding for the whole of the 3 days, but honestly it was so worth it, and I can't recommend it enough. So again, I do recommend, if you do this trip, to book an Easy Rider. I'll put my rider's contact information in the description. He was the best, honestly, navigating through the rain, and I'm a big guy. He was navigating the roads with ease, so I highly recommend him. But overall, the Ha Giang Loop, I would do it again, and I recommend it to everyone. So please comment, like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back again for another video very soon.